What's up, you guys? This is a new channel for me. Just started off today. I'm here to show you some things I got from Nikeid. Came in this box. So let me just open it up. Okay, so here we are. Here is the form. So the first thing I got was a pair of KD Elite socks. Nice. There's the Elite sign. And the reason I got these was because I bought some sneakers from Nikeid. But of course I made them, so it's going to take a while for them to get here, but just know they are on the way. The second thing I got was a basketball Nike shirt. It says, "Just dunk it." Let me just get you a better view. Give me a second. Just dunk it. Okay. So the next shirt was a Kobe shirt. It's the Mamba one. Show you that too. Dry fit, everything. And that's the Kobe shirt. Really nice shirt, like it. And then the last thing, I got some Sequelizer shorts. The bright citrus and black. That goes with the Kobe shirt and also my KDs that I bought. Well, I bought two pairs of sneakers, the KDs and the Hyper Dunks. And they will be here eventually. I don't know when. I bought them like maybe a week ago now. And they're making them now. But here are the Sequelizer shorts. Really nice. Nice color. Goes really well with the Kobe shirt. And also the KD socks. So that's it from me for now. I'll be posting another video shortly about an unboxing review of the Hyper Dunks and the KD 5s. And stay tuned. If you like this video, subscribe, share with other people. I could get a few more views just to let people know I have some pretty good content. If you think in your opinion, thanks and goodbye.